Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Mr. Williams, good morning. Mr. Williams, you're here for first appearance. You're on the first appearance docket. Mr. McDaniel has added you to see if there's a chance we can get this case resolved. I think the state and defense have a tentative framework for an agreement if this is what you want to do, and your mother's in the courtroom. So listen to your attorney, Mr. McDaniel.
Your Honor, I spoke to Mr. Williams in case number 23-690MM. He's going to plead no contest to trespass. Understanding he's going to be sentenced to 30 days in the county jail. He'll have 7 days jail credit. There'll be a $370 fine. He'll be adjudicated guilty. This will resolve this case.
Thank you. And Ms. Bremer, is that agreeable with the state?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams, did you hear that agreement?
Did you get the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Williams, is this a plea you want to enter to resolve this trespassing charge?
But you get, but
Yes or no? Yes or no?
you gave me 10. How you gave me 10?
Mr. Williams, if you want to take this plea, I'm fine with that. Your mother spoke the last time, and after that, this offer was amended because she feels like you need inpatient drug treatment, but you're not willing to go. So this is the offer now to try to resolve the case. If you want to take it, that's okay. If you don't, that's okay too. I think myself, Ms. Bremer, and your mother all feel you'd benefit from inpatient drug treatment, but it's a waste of time for you to go over there if you're not going to stay. And you've told us you're not interested in going, or you told the probation office that. So do you want to take the 30 days and get over with or not?
Tell him then.
No, you don't gotta be like that, man. Yes, sir, I take it.
All right. Mr. Williams, I'm going to accept your plea of no contest to the trespass charge. Has he already signed the waiver, Mr. McDaniel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Williams, the waiver you signed waives your right to a trial and also waives your right to call and cross-examine witnesses. You're going to be judged guilty of the offense of trespass, a sentence of 30 days in jail with 7 days credit. So, ma'am, I don't know, you may have been told this already, but when yesterday he was going to inpatient drug treatment. We got a program, got him admitted. They were going to hold the bed for him until the end of the week. When he got to the probation office, he changed his mind. He did not want to go to inpatient drug treatment. He didn't feel like that would benefit him. So that's why we're back where we're at today. You may have been told that already. I just wanted you to know that. So Mr. McDaniel was able to negotiate this resolution today. So it's 7 days credit. The court costs and fines will be reduced to a civil judgment. Mr. Williams, there's no probation to follow in this case. Ma'am, do you have any questions? There's a fine of $370, but he very well may get it worked off by volunteering at the jail. If he doesn't get it worked off, it'll be a civil judgment against him. Any other questions? Ma'am? How many more? He has 30-day sentence. He's already done 7. So he has 23 left. He may or may not get some off of that for gain time. I can't promise him that. That's dependent upon whether he follows the jail rules or not. He may get a couple days off of that. Mr. Williams, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, what's your question?
But how, so if I didn't take the drug rehab thing, you gave me 10 days. And
No, I
then you
didn't
turn
give you 10
around.
days. No, your offer initially was 10 days. Your mother requested you go to inpatient drug treatment, which sounded reasonable.
Yeah.
You said you wanted to go to
Yes.
inpatient drug treatment. You were offered inpatient drug treatment. Then you decided you'd rather do the 10 days. And we explained to you the 10 days was withdrawn by the state after hearing from your mother because they feel that you need inpatient drug treatment. And I agree. So any other questions, Mr. Williams? All right. Have a good day, sir.
Can I, I don't got nobody.
Can he get his mother's number or his aunt's number?
We're on YouTube. So if you give your phone
So-
number out, it's going to be broadcast over YouTube.
If
So,
she comes to the
Hang
jail,
on
she
just
can
a second.
drop
She's
it off.
talking. Just a second. She's talking. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, ma'am. Okay, your mother said she'll be there on your visiting day to see you, sir. And if you want to give us his phone number off record, then we'll text it to Mr. McDaniel. Okay? So, Mr. McDaniel, we're going to text you the phone number, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. McDaniel, I think that's it for first appearance. I know that y'all have a very recent possible resolution on Mr. Sampson. He has a couple of his sisters in the courtroom, but that one may take a little longer. So let me just do it last today.